Hello, Evil Simon is speaking. I found a beautiful tutorial how to fix chamfer problems because I couldn't find that option when I used the modifier boolean tool. This caused me to create flat edges in polygon. You can see chamfer shouldn't look like this, but I have good news for you. You can fix like in Blender. There is beautiful utility because in Blender I had the same problem when I tried to bevel edges. When you go to utilities, there's option reset X form. You can convert later onto polygons. After that, you will be able to fix edges. And polygon does not look okay because when you see this, you can still apply like because we have black edges, we can still fix that. Mesh addition, edit normals will help you to fix black edges. But what I showed you is nothing to do with fixing bevel issues. This utility will be useful when you want to fix black polygons. But what I showed you, this is how your normal's supposed to display. Because in Blender you have to apply scale and you have to apply option called normals recalculate outside. In 3ds Max this works completely different way. Wait a minute, why do I see edges? I will have to fix one problem. Back. Collapse. Let's check if this tool works okay. I believe this tool will be working as permanent solution. You can see I no longer have chamfer chamfer issues. Chamfer looks okay after when I applied X form. You can see this looks as supposed to look. Maybe I will switch to performance work. What I will do with polygons, auto smooth. I will have to use a smooth modifier. Okay, now our polygon looks much better and I can quickly switch standard. This is what we want. I hope that you like my video tutorial. I found a solution on YouTube how you can fix chamfer issue. I have to make sure chamfer is working because I drilled holes inside the polygons. I used the boolean tool. I'm glad that something like that exists in 3ds Max. Okay, see you guys, have a nice day.